Ellen from Sugarland has a question about gas insurance.
Well, she's getting those letters. You've gotten them, right?
Yeah, I throw them away.
Yeah, well, Ellen writes, the public utility provider of natural gas in my home, which...
Well, Centerpoint, they take care of all of them,
okay.
yes.
Now, we don't have to scrub every name out, okay?
Yeah.
She said, twice sent me this letter.
Yes.
And you've seen these, right?
I have.
Right. They're attempting to sell an insurance policy from New York, and my company's nearly 30 years old. She wants to know what kind of scam this is.
It's $8 a month. They get 1 million people. That's $8 million a month. And all of a sudden, boom, they make money.
Oh, not so fast, Kimosabi. Her monthly rate is only $549.
Okay, $5 million a month.
Right.
I mean, it's a great way for companies to get enough people on board to make money. That doesn't mean it's worth it to
Have
you.
you read the fine print on that letter?
Yeah.
Down at the bottom,
I'm going to let you do that. Then I'm going to say what else I have read from Centerpoint.
Okay, it says here that it's from a company in New York, like Ellen said and all that. But it says here, this is a residential service contract. It is not an insurance policy. It's not regulated or approved by the Texas Department of Insurance, and your choice to participate in the service contract will not affect the price, availability, or terms of service from Centerpoint.
You know, Charlie, we've been getting this question for a while, and I've been telling everybody, throw it away. I don't care what Centerpoint says. You think Centerpoint would have called me and said, thank you.
Thank you. You would have.
Because they wrote me a letter, and it's a letter that went out to probably everybody, all their customers, that's saying if you receive these letters, ignore them because it's not them. So they've actually had to send a letter out to fight this thing. So don't get caught up with a letterhead and read the fine print like Charlie just was telling you and throw it in the trash, or just better yet, throw it in the trash. And I like Centerpoint, by the way.
Yeah, they're good people. I'll tell
I
you
used
what.
to train their gas welders.
Of big companies, they're probably one of the most buttoned down together companies you'll ever deal with.
It's huge, and they're in all states all over the country. So I'm sure there are people in Alabama, in Montana, some of the other states that they're in that are getting these letters too.
Pennzoil building downtown, aren't they? Down here in Houston. Anyway,
Well, the guys I dealt with were on the east side of town. They were the welding people.
Well, they're Centerpoint. They're everywhere.
Yeah.
All right. You got a question? We're everywhere you need us to be. Just send us your question at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer it just like all these videos over here. And, of course, if you subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell, we'll ring yours when we have a new one.
Ding.